Around the world, Seventh-day Adventists congregate to worship, sing, pray, and learn about Jesus, who unites his people with ties of love. Every Sabbath, in a church, under a tree, at a neighbor's house, you and I come together as brother and sister as we wait for our Savior's soon return. Whether our meeting place is conventional or very untraditional, we unite our efforts in love to support each other. This Sabbath, one church sings a brighter note. With grateful hearts, the River Church raises their voices to God and thanks their brothers and sisters across the waters. The members here received your offering of love in 2007. With willing spirits and zeal in the heart, they began to build a new chapter in the history of this aquatic village. In 2007, worship was conducted in a simple place built on stilts. During dry season, members walked here to learn about God. This is Francis. He is a global mission pioneer. You have helped sponsor Francis to share the gospel with this village. You have also sponsored construction of the new River Church. Since then, more people have accepted Jesus. More lives have been changed in this community. There are even more church buildings going up, 3 buildings in total. You can visit them by boat or wait to meet your fellow Adventist brothers and sisters in the kingdom. The new River Church members say thank you for your support of Adventist mission.